So did they say they were getting on or?
I sent another text message.
Right.
It says Tasha's iPhone.
Oh, okay, so somebody is on now. Do they have, I wonder if they have audio.
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right, let's see. You can bring out Mr. Dukes now. All right, so this is position 3. The other 2 cases, like I said, were reset because the ex partes are still pending. So this is the last case on the prelim calendar for at least Orca and for me for the rest of the year. Everybody have a good holiday, by the way. This is 23 CP 219806. 169 days without indictment. It's a murder, armed robbery, and possession of a firearm during the commission of a felony. Looks like Judge Schwab previously signed an order for bond, and it's my understanding that he's essentially in no bond status because of the lack of an ankle monitor. So I did reach out and speak. Ms. Gaston spoke with someone at the Superior Court admin, and they did say that the sheriff's department should have 14, and I just took, I think 3 off last night, 1 not going into effect until the 28th, but they had 14 at the jail. Do you have the sheriff's direct number? I can give you the sheriff's direct number when we're off here. And I'll give you his number. Call him to make sure that there's an ankle monitor there. And then I think he's gonna live in Conyers? Okay. No other reason for him to come to Fulton County, right? Except for court or to see you.
That's right, Judge.
Okay, all right. So do the ankle monitor and then, so the only reason you're supposed to come back to Fulton County is court or to see your lawyer. Pack snacks in your car. Don't stop and get gas. Don't stop and get snacks. All right? So that should be that ankle monitor, and I will give you a copy of the sheriff's personal number so you can call him to make sure they hold one for him. Because like I said, I know I took 3 off of people last night. All right, Ms. Williams, so that's all we need to do is make sure there was an ankle monitor.
Okay, so anything else such as a no contact and stay away that's already been.
Right, that should have already been there. I just added the stay out of Fulton County, except for court or to see his lawyer.
Okay. Who do we have a no contact with?
The family of the victim, let me see. Go on here, let's see. Let's see. There's some names listed on here. I guess would be the family of Mr. Turner. Any family members of Mr. Ossie, Ossie Turner.
Okay, and
Let's see.
and then I know in the warrant a few witnesses are mentioned. So could we include
There's an existing bond.
is there?
Sorry, yeah.
And it's got
Bond is
okay,
already
cool.
set. So we were just talking about modifying it, remove.
Right, but I'm just saying, stay out of Fulton County.
Okay.
You're right. But, and I'm telling you, when this says, and it's a general statement there, says don't get in touch with any family, any indirect or direct. And I'm not saying that you two will, ladies, but that means that I know if it's your brother, your relative, sometimes you feel like you want to be defensive, but don't be tempted, okay? Because they'll just come back on him. So counsel, I'm going to give you Sheriff Labatt's number so you can call him to make sure they hold one of those for you so that he can actually have an ankle monitor that's paid for by the county. Sir, if you lose the charger, I think it's $100 maybe to buy a new one. So don't lose the charger. One, it also monitors you where you go. So if you come into Fulton County, it's going to let you know. And I think you have to kind of like sit beside a plug and plug it in and sit there, plug it every day. If you ever have a problem with it charging, you need to notify the ankle company immediately or they'll be revoking your bond, okay? All right, so yeah, I'll give you Sheriff Labatt's number so you can call him to make sure that he pulls one of those for it, because this case out of any of them should definitely have an ankle monitor on there. Ms. Tasha, I don't know, is there anything you want to say? I mean, all I'm really addressing is the fact that there is going to be an ankle monitor that we did track a couple down for him.
No.
Okay, all right, anything from?
And Judge, my client was just mentioning that he might need to go into Fulton County to go to the sheriff's office.
Well, that would kind of be court or sheriff's office, yeah. So that legal reasons, like court, sheriff's office, see your lawyer, okay?
And
Right, she's got something she may want to tell you, council.
Like, you go back home down there, he needs to know his work, like, he's looking for a job, he needs to know his hours. You know, can he work down there?
Just supply, oh yeah, since there is that ankle monitor, yeah, you just supply that information to the ankle monitoring company so they'll know where you're going. You follow me? So if you work for, geez, Home Depot, then you gotta let them know, hey, I work for the Home Depot in Conyers, this is my schedule, so they'll know where you're going, because if not, they'll notify the state will bring you in and there'll be a huge hearing to figure out where you were, okay? So anything you do, basically let the ankle monitoring company know. Okay? All right, I want to make sure you heard that, and that was an affirmative. Anything else?
No, Your Honor, I'll contact the sheriff. I think my client would be eligible to get out in like 10 or 11 days, based on his other, case. And so the only concern would be whether or not it'd be available in that 10 or 11 days, but
Well-
hopefully the sheriff can hold it down.
Yeah, I hope if you talk to him, he would definitely hold it down and hold on for this one specifically. I could, reach out to him too, but I'll write his number down here. And you can get it from me. So just ask him for this one and just tell him the circumstances and the charges and stuff, and that we've asked that he at least like just hold tight to one. Okay? Anything else, Ms. Williams?
No, Your Honor, I believe that.
Anything else on the fence? No? Okay. Thank you. You folks, and that's it for my 1 o'clock calendar. Only 3 today. Thank you, Ms. Watts.